Good morning, students. So, next we continue, that is the next problem what we have left in the previous video, that is up to 7 we have completed. So, next we come to that is the 8th problem. How 8th problem is there means let A and B be the sets. So, they are the set. Show that the functioning from f is a functioning from where to where? A cross B to B cross A, such that the images, so they have defined as a f of a comma b for this pair. So its image is like this, b comma a. Then what we have to show is a bijective function. Bijective function means what? A function should be a 1 1 and ortho, then we can say it is a bijective function. We have to show it is a bijective function. First we have to show it is a 1 1 function. Next we have to find out it is an onto function. If any function is both 1 1 and onto, then we can easily say that it is a bijective function. So first we come to prove that. We show that it is a 1 1 function. F is 1. F is 1. For that we consider the equal images. If we consider the equal images, so then what we have to show? Equal elements. Means the elements should be equal. Then it means that the function is 1. Or we can prove that is a contradiction method. But here it is not necessary to use the contradiction method because it is in the pairwise. So it will become very difficult or to analyze it. Better to use through the equal image elements. Let I consider so that is a1 comma b1 and a2 comma b2. So these are the two images, two elements of a cross b. Then we consider that f of a1 comma b1 is equal to f of a2 comma b2. If we consider, what we have to show that these are equal. To become these are equal, and then what we have to get? We have to show the elements are also equal. So a1 equal to a2, b1 equal to b2. If we show that, so it means that, so we can easily say that a1 comma b1 equal to a2 comma b2. So using the definition of that is a given function, we have to find out these two order pair are equal. To become these two order pairs are equal, first we have to find out their corresponding elements are equal or not. If we got their corresponding elements are equal, we can easily say that two pairs are equal. So using the definition, what is the definition? We have a comma b is its image is b comma a. What is the image of f of a1 comma b1? So it will become b1 comma a1. It is equal to b2 comma a2. So here these two pairs are equal. If these two pairs are equal, automatically it implies that their corresponding elements are equal. a1 and a1 is equal to a2. The corresponding elements are equal. If the elements are equal, we can write like this: a1 comma b1 is equal to a2 comma b2. So from this we clarify that what we have considered that images are equal, and finally what we got? Elements are equal. Whatever the elements we have taken from a cross b, we got that they are equal. Equal images have equal elements. Therefore, we can easily say that the function is 1. Therefore, f is 1. F is 1. So next another one is f is on. The range of f is onto. F is onto. Next, range of f is equal to, what is the range? So that is b cross a is the range. It is equal is odd. So now here we got f is both 1 1 and odd. Therefore f is both 1 1 and onto. Hence f is bijective function. So this completes the example. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So here let f is a functioning from n to n be defined as a f of n is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. So it is a definition of the given function and for all n belongs to the natural number. State whether the function f is bijective. We have to state whether it will become a bijective or not. We have to state whether it is becoming a bijective or not. So to become a bijective, it should be a both 1 1 and odd 2. So first we verify whether it will become a 1 1 or not. So here they have defined on the basis of even odd number. So let me take in the natural number both even and odd numbers are there. According to that, we use the definition of the function and we have to find out their images and we confirm whether it will become a 1 1 or not. Next we come to that is onto. Its range. If the range of the function is equal to codomain, then it will become the automatically onto function. First we discuss about the 1 1 function. F is 1 1. F is 1 1. F is 1 1. So to become a function is 1 1. So let me consider two different elements in the domain. 1, 2 belongs to the natural number and 1 is not equal to 2. So different element. Let me find out their different images. F of 1. 1 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number means 1 minus 1. Sorry, this is plus. Sorry. N plus 1. So that is 1 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 divided 1 becomes a 1. So f of 2. 2 is a even number. 2 by 2. So that is equal to 1. Different element got the same image. Different element got the same image. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to f of 2. Therefore, f is not a 1 1. Not a 1 1. F is not a 1 1. F is not a 1 1. Next we come to that is f is onto. F is onto. F is onto. So f will not become onto. Then we find out the range. Range of f is equal to what? Suppose if you put 1, we got 1, 2, 1. So the range of these two numbers is 1, 1. If you put 2, 2 plus 2, 1. So 3, 3 plus 1 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we are getting the images that is a natural number only. 1, 2, 3, so on, and which is equal to the natural number. The range of f is 1, 2, 3, so on, infinite, and that is a natural number. Natural number is a codomain. If the range of the function is equal to codomain, then what we can say it is a not. Therefore, f is onto. So here we got f is not a 1 1 and f is onto. So it is not a 1 1, but it is an onto function. F is not 1 1 1 1, but it is onto. So therefore F is not a bijective, function, but a bijective function. So this completes the problem. So next we come to that is the 10th question. So in this question, let set A is given from R. So A is a real number. In that real number, 3 is not there. And B is a real number, set of real number. In that, 1 is not there. In the codomain, 1 is not there. In the domain, 3 is not there. Consider the function f from A to B. Where to where it is going? A is a domain, B is a codomain. Defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. F is a 1 1 and onto we have to prove. F is a 1 1 and onto we have to show. So for that we identify that whether it will become a 1 1 and onto. So for that we know already how to prove that is the function is 1 1. First step is f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Let me consider two different elements in A except 3 we have to take. Let me consider 1 comma 2 belongs to A and 1 is not equal to 2. Very simple example this is. Let me find out f of 1. F of 1 is, it is 1 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 3. So that is 1 minus 1 and minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Next, f of 2. If you put 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 0 by minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 by any number is 0. So next, f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Therefore, different element for the different images. Therefore, f is 1. F is 1. So next we come to that is another for an onto function. So f is onto. F is onto. For f is onto, so what we have to show? We have to convert here f y in terms of x it is there, x in terms of y we have to convert. Why? Because we have actual definition of the given function. So we convert, modify that y is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Cross multiplied y into x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Simplify here. So xy minus 3y is equal to x minus 2. So bring this term on this side. What happens? X minus xy minus x. So next, here what we get, this 3y, if you bring on that side, 3y minus 2. So x is common. What is left there? Y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2. Then x is equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. So now here we have converted x in terms of y. So for stating the onto function, this must and should we have to follow. If we have an actual definition of the given function, which is possible to convert at that time. Otherwise, we have to use the range of the function. So first, for every y belongs to B, that is a codomain, there exists x is equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1, which is belongs to, that is A. It is there such that f of x is equal to y. For this x has a pre-image of the y, and that x is exist in the A because it is a rational number. It is a rational number. Rational numbers are real numbers are there in the set A. So, but except 1 is not there. So, if it become 1 is not there in B. So, except 1 is there. B is without 1 we have to take. Except 1. If you put 1, so it will be not there in A. But other than 1, if you put any, that is there in A. Therefore, F is onto function. So here we got that both F is 1 and onto. So this completes this exercise regarding the types of functions. So next we move to that is the invertible function. So invertible function means what? That is regarding the composition of the function we are doing. So what we mean by the composition function, we have to composition and invertible function that we have to study, and later on that, so binary operation we have to study. If we complete these two topics, so this chapter is going to complete. So before that, we recall that, so what is the basic idea we needed for defining the composition of the function, how it is defined, and what we mean by the invertible function, how the invertible function is defined. So then there are two methods for stating the invertible function. When we say the invertible function, one we can use by the composition and another one by the, so that is a 1 and onto. If any function is both 1 and onto, then it is called as a, so bijective function. If any function is a bijective function, then it is an invertible function. If any function is invertible, then it has its own inverse, unique inverse. So those concepts we have to state. So first we recall that what we mean by the composition of the function and invertibility.